Welcome to the session where Sunrise Supported Living Limited offers hints and tips about parenting. Today is the 22nd of May 2024. I am just discussing the worry that most parents have when children services gets involved in their families. The main worry is, when will children's services end its involvement? Parents would have learned or witnessed in some families where children's services have been involved, where they started at a lower level, where they were offered assistance in children's centers, escalated to statutory involvement, children being made subject to child protection plans, escalated to pre-proceedings, where they ended up having solicitors to discuss with the local authority, and if it didn't work well, ended up being in court. Or in some situations where the intervention immediately led to court intervention, where there were especially serious non-accidental injuries. But the main question that I just want to discuss in brief is, when will children's services end its involvement in my family life? What the advice simple that I will give is that look at the plan, the child protection plan that the local authority has come up with. This will initially be formulated by the social worker who is conducting the assessment. During the assessment, the social worker will explain the worries and how they feel this could be addressed and get your views. If they feel that the worries will need a number of agencies to help you, then this could be brought into an initial child protection conference. Do not avoid attending a child protection conference. It is the opportunity where you can express yourself and how you plan to address the worries. At that point at times, it can be decided at the conference that it doesn't warrant a child protection plan, but otherwise you will be assisted at a lower level. But suppose if it remains at a child protection plan level, look at that plan, read it, understand it. If possible, ask your friend or someone who is close to you to attend the conference with you. You let the social worker, the conference chair, know in advance that you would like someone to come with you to support you during the conference. Those people, at least they will be in a better position to listen, to understand whatever is discussed, because you can imagine yourself, if you're amongst all the professionals all expressing some worries about your care, you are likely to take a defensive stance, or you may find it quite difficult to follow what is being discussed. But the main thing, look at the plan. The plan would clearly spell out what the worries are, what needs to be done, and what will be identified as a safety goal. So it is for you to understand what is it that people, the professionals, those involved with you are worried about, and then look at what it is that is suggested will help you in addressing that concern, and look at what it is that they are saying they will deem to be a safe situation, that it no longer requires the intervention of children's services. So for you to answer the question as to when will children's services end its involvement, look at the safety goal of that plan. If you are not clear, ask the social worker, what is the safety goal? So that when you achieve that, they will all agree that you no longer need an outside involvement in your family life. Remember, the intervention is to help your children to realize their potential. It is to help your children to achieve in life. It is the plan that is similar to yours. No parent would want their children to be failures in life. You want your children to achieve. Equally so, children's services want your children to achieve in life. Work together, agree with them the safety goal, work towards that, and make sure that is addressed. It could be that you are using substances, using a lot of cocaine, heroin, whatever nature of substance, abuse of alcohol, and children end up being neglected. They will spell exactly to you how it is impacting on children and how they would want that addressed. It's domestic abuse, children are witnessing you fighting, they want a healthy relationship. That will be spelled out. So if do not take a defensive style, but ask any questions where you are not clear of what is required of you to end outside involvement. Thank you for today. I will meet you in some subsequent sessions. Thank you. Meet you next time. Bye.